Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to remove phone number from Snapchat, and now let's dive right in. Now to remove phone number from Snapchat, first open up your Snapchat app and make sure to be logged into your account on which you want to remove the phone number. And from this list guys, at the top left corner of the screen you can see your Bitmoji or your profile icon. Tap on it, and in this interface guys, in order to remove your phone number, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the settings or the gear icon. Tap on that, and over here guys it says mobile number. Tap on that, and over here in order to proceed you will be required to enter your new number, and close this guys, enter your new number with which you want to proceed, and after that tap on verify, and then a code will be sent to your phone number, and copy paste that phone in the Snapchat, and after that number will be verified and your phone number will be changed, but you will not be able to permanently remove it from over here guys. So with that being said guys, this is how to remove your phone number from Snapchat, and if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.